Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open Settings on your iPhone and tap Phone to check your number. Look for the line labeled My Number near the top of the screen. If your number does not appear there, open Contacts and select My Card to view it. You can also call or text a friend and read the number displayed on their device. Restarting the phone can refresh SIM data and sometimes reveals the number. If problems persist, remove and reset the SIM to force a refresh. Open Settings on your Android device and scroll to About Phone to begin. Tap Status or SIM Status to view the phone number listed there. If the number shows unknown, power off, remove, and reset the SIM card carefully. Reboot the phone and check status again to allow the carrier record to refresh. As a quick test, call or send an SMS to another phone and read the number shown on that device. Use the carrier app if your device still fails to report the number. If device methods fail, log into your carrier app or account page to view your number. Your carrier record will list the assigned number next to your line and billing details. You can also eject the SIM and insert it into a different phone to display the number there. Check the original SIM card packaging or activation paperwork, which often lists the number next to the SIM ID. As a fast check, call your voicemail and see the number announced or shown during setup. Contact carrier support for updates or number provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.